Hey, what's up guys? Michael with Dynatrac. If you're looking to upgrade to a Dyna 60 axle assembly and aren't quite ready to jump up to the Dynatrac XD 60 axle assembly, then we have the perfect solution for you. This is our ProRock 60 axle assembly right here. At the heart of our ProRock 60 axle assembly is our Dynatrac ProRock 60 casting. This is a proprietary casting that offers more clearance than any other axle in its class. Pair that with our 3 1/8 inch outside diameter axle tubes that are a 1/2 inch wall, and you have an axle assembly that's more than 3 times stronger than an OEM Jeep JK. The Dynatrac ProRock 60 axle assembly also comes with an 8 on 6.5 inch bolt pattern and worn manual locking hubs. The ProRock 60 axle assembly comes with a 9.75 inch ring gear, also comes with our 1480 chromoly axle shafts. One of the great features about the Dynatrac ProRock 60 axle is the Dynatrac wheel ends. This gets rid of any unit bearing that is standard in Dyna 60 applications, offers a fully serviceable and much stronger application. In addition to the wheel ends, one of the great features of the Dynatrac ProRock 60 axle assembly is the knuckles that come on the axle. This is a machined knuckle that takes a high steer arm that is bolted on. Both sides have provisions to bolt in our high steer arm. Also included in the Dynatrac ProRock 60 axle assembly is the Dynatrac ProSteer BallJoints. These are fully serviceable, rebuildable while on the vehicle. All of the ProRock 60 axle assemblies that you can find in our Jeep JK Hardcore axle kit comes fully bolt and ready, has all the brackets, even takes the factory ABS sensors. This is a very, very popular axle assembly in a 68.5 inch configuration with the 1480 U-joints, the larger tubes, the high clearance center section. But having said that, you can also get this in many customizable applications as well. We offer this in a bare tube configuration, extra widths, you choose your locker, you choose your ring gear ratio, and then we'll supply that for your build. Any of the brackets you find on the ProRock 60 axle assembly are gonna be much, much stronger than anything that comes from the factory, which is especially important for anybody that's running a hydro assist steering ram. The brackets right here can definitely handle that extra torque that is put on the axle housing. Our Dynatrac ProRock 60 axle assembly that you can find in our JK Hardcore axle set comes fully bolt and ready. But if you have any questions about custom applications, bare tubes, extra widths, anything like that, give us a shout or reach us at sales@dynatrac.com.